Hey guys, welcome back to George Basics. If you're getting the error message in Roblox which says Roblox can't continue, expected channel name when using channel, use ** for empty value. So if you're getting this error message, I will show you the few methods how to solve this problem and play Roblox again. Watch this video until the end and don't forget to click the like buttons. Likes are super important for me. Okay, first of all, we can do the easiest thing. We can check our internet connection. If your internet connection is unstable, you might get this error. First of all, check if everything is fine with your internet connection. The next thing you can do is go on this website, which is called status.roblox.com, to check if there is any current problem. So at the moment you can see that all the system is operational and there is no problem with Roblox. So guys, if your internet connection is fine and if Roblox status is operational, that means you have got the problem in your PC. Now I'll show you how to fix this problem. The first thing you can do is delete the cache on your browser. At the moment I'm using Chrome. You can do it on other browsers, guys. So just go to the settings of your browser, go to the privacy and security, and click clear browsing data. Here you need to choose all time and you need to tick cached images and files and click the clear data button. And now you can check your Roblox if you're still getting the error. Next thing you can do is update your Roblox. Maybe your Roblox version is outdated and you need to update your Roblox. So to update your Roblox, go to roblox.com, click any of these games, click this play button, click the play button, and Roblox will offer you to download the game, guys. As you can see here, you can download and install Roblox latest version, or if you are using the Roblox Microsoft version, you can go to the Microsoft Store, search for Roblox, and right here at the moment I have got the install button, and in your PC there will be an update button. So you need to click the update button and it will update your Roblox version. So if you updated the game and if you still have got the error, then you can do another thing. You can disable your extensions in your browser. Maybe some of these extensions have got the problem with the Roblox game, so you can disable the extensions which you are not currently using. Just click this extension icon in the top right corner, go to the manage extensions, enable the developer mode in the top right corner, and you can disable any extensions which you are not using currently. So after you will disable these extensions, you can try to play the Roblox game. If it still doesn't work, you can delete the Roblox in your PC and you can download it again. So to delete the Roblox game, you need to open the start menu and type on your keyboard remove programs and open this. Here you need to find Roblox. In the search bar, type Roblox and delete all of the Roblox files from your PC. After you will delete the game, then you can go to the roblox.com/download and you can download the game and try to play Roblox. Most likely all of these methods will help you to play Roblox and to avoid this error. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button. See you in the next video.